How does executive privilege create tension with courts? Imagine a situation where the President of the United States refuses to turn over documents or testify about conversations with advisors, citing a special right called executive privilege. This concept is rooted in the idea that the President needs to have candid discussions with advisors without fear that those conversations will be exposed or used against them in legal proceedings. While this privilege aims to protect the executive branch and ensure effective decision-making, it often clashes with the authority of the judiciary. The core of the tension lies in the balance of powers among the branches of government. Courts have the authority to interpret laws and resolve disputes, including those involving the executive branch. When a president claims executive privilege to withhold information, courts may question whether this claim is justified or if it is an attempt to obstruct justice. For example, courts have sometimes ordered presidents to produce documents or testify in investigations, challenging the scope of executive privilege. A notable case illustrating this tension is United States v. Nixon in 1974. President Richard Nixon attempted to use executive privilege to withhold tape recordings related to the Watergate scandal. The Supreme Court ruled that executive privilege is not absolute and that the president must comply with judicial subpoenas if the need for evidence outweighs the president's reasons for withholding information. This decision reinforced the principle that no one, not even the president, is above the law. The tension also arises because executive privilege is not explicitly outlined in the United States Constitution. Instead, it has been developed through legal precedent and the understanding of the separation of powers. Courts often have to weigh the importance of confidentiality against the need for transparency and accountability. When presidents invoke executive privilege, courts scrutinize whether the claim is valid or if it is being used to hide misconduct. In summary, executive privilege creates tension with courts because it challenges the judiciary's authority to access information and enforce legal processes. While it is intended to protect the executive branch's ability to function effectively, it can sometimes hinder investigations and accountability. This ongoing dynamic underscores the delicate balance of power designed to prevent any one branch from becoming too dominant.